What are you begging me for? No, beyond your crocodile tears, what are you begging me for? What are you begging me for?
Okay, please. Please, my family and I are sorry. We are deeply sorry. Please. Okay, why it's me? You used to love me so much. What happened? You suddenly became hostile to me since you made money. What did I do wrong?
What did you do? What did you do?
What did I do?
Have you forgotten what you did? Have you forgotten what you people did to me? Have you?
This is just a small thing compared to what I will do to you. If I see you in this compound again, leave my daughter alone. Leave my daughter, she is not your class.
What have I done? What have I done? I only love your daughter. That's all. Stella knows I love her. I'm not an illiterate now. I went to school. And right now I'm trying my best, trying to do some kind of trade. Mama, please now, what have I done?
You want to marry my daughter? God forbid! You cannot marry my daughter, you wretched illiterate! Which school did you attend? Or that one? Eh? Go Basilica. Which one? Leave my daughter alone. She is not your class. I will not warn you like this again.
Mama, please. Mama, please give love a chance.
Oh, I should give love a chance. Hi. Okay, Mama, do you love my daughter? Go school PG Choi Batana my house.
Your daughter knows I love her. I love her, Mama.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Oh, I am so sorry. Should have explained it very well. I'm sorry, You know what? Oh, sorry. Go and pick it. Let me go and look for something to dry you up, So, you love my daughter? How? I'm sorry. Oh, let me get something to dry you up. And dry Yogi up with towel. Oh, I'm coming. Oh.
What's this now? Stop this thing now.
Let me show you.
Hey, no, hey,
Let me show you how to give love a chance. Open this car.
My daughter is not for you.
Let me show you. Oh, I am sure that this car will not move. Somebody put this car.
My daughter is special for special man. University.
Anna. Okay. I'm telling you. You will not understand.
Muna.
Hey!
Muna, my guy.
Okoko.
Hey, guy, how about
This is potential in-law.
Okoko.
International in-law.
My guy.
Behold in-law. Ah, bro.
My guy, how about that?
This is the in-law. My sister, is the one of you.
Yes. As the one.
Yes.
Your eye did
Ah, no.
Your eye did ya.
This one never did.
I beg you.
You never talk.
I think keep person.
My in-law.
In-law, come on, see, come on. Yeah, be careful, be careful. In-law, you know, you're my guy.
Yes.
You're my guy, and then, see, I just need you to do this thing for me. Just help me, talk to your mother and your sister. Just gel the soup for me. Just gel soup.
Oh, that one is a chicken soup talk. But it's going to cost you something. Because it's not easy for me to convince my mother.
I know.
My mother is the problem. After crossing my mother's Red Sea, I'll go to my sister.
I know.
Do you understand?
I know.
So you need to sort one or two.
I know, no problem.
For me to, because as I am, they call me Okurora.
Yes.
Okurora.
Yes.
I can convince devil
I
to
know.
go and beg God.
I know.
So that peace will reign.
I know.
We'll stop suffering in this world.
I know.
So it's going to,
I know. My in-law.
You are too much. Potential.
My in-law.
Early greeting.
Who this one first?
5,000. And I don't agree. This is my sister we are talking about.
Nah.
No, now. But my sister is fair. It's not easy to maintain a fair woman. It's not easy to see. This thing alone cannot buy my sister Cortez. I am going to buy drinks for my mother. Because my mother is the Red Sea here. If you cross it before you talk of another thing. So, there's
I
something.
know, money. Just calm down now. Calm down now. See, it's only this thing just remaining now. There's not.
See, Obrokwa no Zuru. Obrokwa no Zuru.
What to be your own now?
I support you now.
Oh, my guy.
Obrokwa no Zuru. This thing is not enough. This thing can only buy my mother Pomo. My mother likes Pomo. This thing can only buy her Pomo. We're not talking about buying my sister Cortez. My sister is a fair woman. It's not easy to toast a fair woman.
That's why you have to give
That's
me a
why
fair
I avoid
deal
them.
now. Give me a fair deal now. Calm down. There's more where these things came from. Just calm down.
Because
just gel the soup.
What can I be?
You want to go?
So I have to consider you.
Okay,
So let me try to use this one to calm my mother down. My mother is high tension.
Okay.
You have to calm her down, step
My
her
guy,
down before you now come to my sister. Because my sister, I will buy her something. For her to understand that you are
I can take care of her.
Yes,
I
you're
know.
a potential husband.
Do
you understand?
I'm her husband.
It's all right. Go. You don't worry. You don't have problem. You don't have problem. Yeah, Kwadobe.
Okogo.
Sew your suit.
Hey.
Oh
my God.
I will talk to them. Potential in-law. Canada in-law. Hey. Hey. Tell us something. Don't you have a sister?
See, I'm trying. Okay, see now, I now have a shop in Onitsha. And my business, is growing small. In Onitsha. Yes, I'm no more sharing with somebody. So I have my own shop. And I'm getting goods from somebody, I'm getting goods from people, actually, not only one person now, because they trust me better, yes. So things are going well for me now.
Congratulations.
Thank you. At least very soon I will now have, my own goods, till I get to container level. Things are, people are trusting me in the market, my marketing skills. So please, just consider me. I will take care of you. Yes, I want to marry you. You're my choice. Yes.
Okay, Mwa. Did you eat bread this morning? And there's something you're cleaning. And the other side.
Okay.
That is your stupidity. You just cleaned it. Okay, Mwa, take a good look at me. Take a good look at me. Do I look like a girl that would marry you? I'm asking you, do I look like a girl that would marry you? Okay, well, even if I was born poor, I need to get to a certain standard. Not coming to your life. How can I end up marrying a man like you? Okay, see. We don't belong in the same class. Please.
You're my destiny now. Don't say this.
It's not destiny. Yeah, who is your destiny? Listen, there are rich guys coming to ask for my hand in marriage, and those are the people that should step into my father's compound. Iburu kabu kabu. Every time you want to marry me, you want to marry. Okay, well, I cannot marry you. I cannot remain poor the rest of my life.
You're my destiny.
Yeah, put that key inside your pocket. You're still flaunting it as if you're holding a jeep. Put the key inside your pocket. Calm down for who?
Nemo.
Ma.
Tell him. Okay,
Ma.
Go and fetch water for me. Quick, I am cooking.
Hold the gallon now.
Use your car so that you'll be fast, You know go?
Yeah, yes, ma.
Be useful, You need to be useful since you will not rest. You will not rest. Just be useful, oh?
Please. That's me full kita.
Yes, ma.
Yeah, Obia.
Panelbita car.
It's
It's open now.
All right. Hey, don't mind him. Don't mind him. Since he does not want to read the handwriting on the wall, leave him. Let me be treating him that way.
You're going. You see, I'm coming.
Hurry up! It's not ready. You open the gate.
I'm trying my best, 'cause I love you. Please don't despise me. I would do anything just for you.
Hey! Sorry. Panelbita. Sorry. Panelbita, sorry. You make it like this. Come out, my dear.
Thank you.
Let me get your bag.
Can you just make it a little bit faster? I need to go inside.
No need now, let me help you take it.
No, it's okay. It's fine.
Let me help you take
You
it
can
inside
go,
now.
you can go. No, it's okay. Welcome. Hi.
Hello.
What's wrong with you? Why were you embarrassing him like that?
Stella, is that your boyfriend?
Are you normal? What kind of stupid question is that? What do you mean? Is he not my boyfriend? Does that thing standing there look like a boyfriend? He's not. He's a taxi guy. Felix asked him to come and drop me in school, and that's all.
Wow, you're actually right. Felix is a big guy.
What were you thinking?
But Stella, why are you lying now? I thought that guy is your boyfriend.
No, shut up now.
Yes, I thought so.
Shut up. Why are you talking anyhow? And your hair where you paint, they deceive you. Calm down. I said the guy is not my boyfriend. Look at the person standing. My boyfriend. Eh? Does he look like someone in my... No, I don't like that kind of person. What kind of joke is this one?
Please. That guy is handsome.
It's okay. If he's handsome, go for him. As we're going there, nobody should say anything to him. Let's just take our bags and go inside.
Yes, ma'am. Let me help you with the bag. Thank you.
Thank you. Go now. Are you a mannequin? Go.
I ate shit just because of love. I messed up just because of love. Oh. My love is pure. My love is pure. I see love more. My love is pure. It's pure. I see love more.
How are you now?
Just keep that stupid question to yourself. What are you doing in my hostel?
I came to visit you now.
And your common sense did not tell you that you're supposed to call me on the phone before coming to my hostel. Listen, you need to go. I don't want any of my friends to see you here, please.
Why are you talking like this? Why are you talking as if you're not proud of me? I don't understand now.
What I'm saying is that you're supposed to... Wait a minute. Okay, Uma.
Huh?
Don't tell me you came with that thing.
What thing?
You push me, I start before I... Come, I don't want my friends to see you here. You need to... No.
Stop this joke now. Stop this thing. Stop this thing.
Stop flaunting that key. How can you come to this place? Come to my hostel with that thing.
What do you mean? What am I doing here? I don't understand.
Okay, Ma. I need you to leave this place. I don't want anybody to see you. I can't start explaining to my friend.
Baby, stop this joke, because stop this joke. You joke too much. See, I bought you these clothes. I want you to wear these clothes. I want to see how fine they will be.
Okay, Ma, please, just go. We will see in the village and then we'll try it.
In the village?
Go now.
What do you think,
My darling, please, do you people have fried rice?
Yes, ma'am.
Jollof rice?
Yes, ma'am.
You have fish?
Yes, ma'am.
I want 1 plate of fried rice, the big bowl. Another plate of jollof rice. I want fish. I want that your moi, that one that's in, you people make in that biggest bowl. You have it, right? Yes. You people have turkey?
Yes.
Okay, so you put 3 turkey for me and 4 goat's meat.
Sister, what's I want the same thing, but make my turkey 4. Yes. The big moi, make it 3.
Then add 2 goat's meat for her too.
How did you know that I like goat meat? Yes. Asu goat meat.
Well, for me, the only problem I have with you guys is that your portion of food is really, really small.
Very small.
I would need, say, 3 plates of jollof rice. Then, how big is your turkey? Very big. Okay. In that case, I think I should have like 5. I'll maybe take 4 here, then take 1 home, right? Okay. And salad, 2 portion. Yes, 2 portion. That moi you've been telling me about.
Yeah, moi is genge.
I think I would want to have it today. Like 2 big bowls as well. We get.
Hope you got everything. Okay. Come, my darling. You don't want to eat anything. The food here is nice, very nice. There's yogurt, there's salad, there's even that they are moi. If you taste that moi.
It's alright, I'm fine. I'm fine. I ate before coming here. I'm fine.
Like you're not hungry at all?
No. I'm even watching my weight. No.
Okay, we just say we are very nice people.
Yeah, very nice.
It will not be nice that we're eating your milk.
My sister, how much is everything?
18,350.
80?
Only 18,000. Yeah, this place is cheap, very cheap.
Their food here is very, very cheap. Like,
cheap.
Go and bring it.
are you sure it's not more than?
What is wrong with you? Why are you shouting? You dey vex?
No.
Why you dey shout?
No.
18,000 naira is why you are raising your eyebrow. Eh?
No.
Did you bring me and my friends here to embarrass us? What's the meaning of? Okay, now I told you from the onset that I'm very, very expensive to maintain. Is him okay? You want to marry? I said okay, no problem. 18,000, you are raising your eyebrow. Why are you shouting?
No, nothing like that. I didn't want them to cheat me. Sorry, cheat us. That's why I just,
Okay, now please, Dodo, in fact, I'm not even hungry again. I don't want to.
Calm down now. Which one is let's go now?
See, one thing I don't like is me losing my appetite. I don't like it at all.
Me too, I've lost my appetite.
Don't lose your appetite, please. Don't. Calm down. Let me just make a phone call. Calm down. Please. Calm down.
What kind of problem is this? I only wanted to have lunch with Stella alone, but she came with her friends. Now I only have 18,250 naira. How will I do this now? Ha!
Virginia Messi, okay, for Stella, I know for Yasimogo. Yeah, Virginia Megua, boy.
Guy, please, I'm not fine. Guy, I need your help now. Please just help me transfer 4,000 naira into my account. Please, 4,000 naira. Now. I'm not asking for 5,000, 4,000 only. Eh? Thank you, guy. Thank you. Now, please. Now.
University, Ginagara University, Ichikweko.
I really enjoyed myself.
Okay, now I'm supposed to make order for fresh juice. You know that they are fresh juice.
Yes, it's very important.
Let me make order.
Please make it 2.
Make it 3.
Okay, you want 2?
Yes, now.
Okay, please, while we wait at the car for you. Okay. Yeah?
Hey. Now, why are you holding my hand now? Huh? Why are you holding me? Okay, Nwa. What is it? Why are you holding me?
My money has finished.
Huh?
My money has finished.
How do you mean your money has finished? You're even raising your shoulder and telling me your money has finished. Were you not the one that carried your big shoulder and came to my hostel and told me that you want to take me and my friends out? What do you mean your money has finished?
I said I wanted to take you out, not these your friends that eat too much now. It's only you I wanted
Are
to take
they not in my room? Are they not supposed to eat with me? Is it 1,500 naira you cannot pay for fresh juice? Okay, Nwa? Are you see, listen, let me warn you. Don't you ever come to my hostel and tell me that you want to take me and my friends out. See his face like overdone custard.
I'm trying my best, cause I love you. Please don't despise me. I would do anything just for you to be mine. I would do anything. I'm always in a bimmer.
This is it. These are all the things I need to buy.
Yeah.
It's quite small. By next week, you should be giving me the money for the other stuff I need.
You need everything here?
Yes, I need everything there.
Now?
Okay, Uma.
Huh?
Why is your face like that? No, because you complain about virtually everything. What you have there is not even up to 50,000. Why is your face? Balance your face now.
It's still 49,580 naira. Still almost 50,000 now.
No, Ujigo. You are hungry. Yet you will not let me be. Today you will come, I want to marry you. Tomorrow you will come, I want to marry you. And you don't have shishi. If I keep saying no, you will still keep chasing me like a dog on heat period. What is it?
I can marry you now. I can marry you. I can take care of you.
Well, you cannot buy items of 50,000 naira.
It's just that I just finished paying for my shop rent now, and you know, I don't have 49,500.
Keep quiet.
Yes, baby.
Oh, yes, are you serious? I didn't see any missed call. Oh, I guess I was sleeping the time you called. It was actually your call that woke me up. Yes. I'm in my hostel. No. It's just a rat that ran past now. Yes, a very big rat. Yes. Oh, that's fine. It's okay. I'll be in my hostel. I'll be waiting for you. All right. Okay, see you later. All right.
Wait, which rat? No, I hope this rat is not light-skinned though, because I don't understand. Which rat? Wait, who was that person? Who is that baby? Who is that person?
The person who just called me is my boyfriend. That's the person I called baby.
Stella.
There was no other rats that ran past here, so obviously you know what I was talking about.
Stella.
Gene. What?
Me. Rat.
Biko Kenwa, come and go. You don't have any use here. Go.
Stella.
Okay, Nwa, I said you should leave. Next time when you're coming to my hostel, don't come with that your gura. And change your sandals. You'll have baked punk.
Stella. Me. Rat.
My son, you are going too far with your relationship with Ella. If she doesn't want you, then let her go. Eh? After all, she's not the only girl in this village.
Mama, I know she's not the only girl in this village, but she's the only girl I love. Yes. Aye. Mama, you two try and be a good mother to me now. Eh? Go and talk to this girl for your son. Then talk to her mother too, so that things just, gel. Let me marry her now.
No, I cannot. I cannot do what you're asking me, okay, Mwa. Leave Stella alone. Period.
Mama, I cannot leave that girl alone. No. It's impossible for me to leave her alone. It's not possible. And if you won't help me, no problem. I will do everything within my means to get that girl. I will woo her, yes. Because that girl is my destiny. She's for me. She's my wife. I must marry Stella by hook or crook. Anyhow, anyway, I must marry her. Yes.
Anyway, I have said my own as a mother.
You need to have said my own as her husband.
Come out from there. Leave that family alone for your own good.
For my own good, I'm marrying Stella.
Okay, Nwa. Come. While waiting for Stella, help me and get these things from the market. I want the ice fish frozen.
Okay.
Make sure the vegetable is very fresh. The tomatoes should be very strong. Get me better onion.
Yes, ma'am.
Better onion, not anyhow onions.
Yes, ma'am.
What of the money?
The what?
The money for these items, ma'am.
The money for which item? How much is in this paper that you cannot get from me? Why?
So 20.
How much is there?
It's just 20. No.
Just 20 what?
No problem, man. No problem.
And Messi Hotel. No, it's just to get something I will cook in the house.
I will buy, man. No,
hey, please hurry up. Make sure the vegetable is fresh, Ice fish frozen. I want to ice jam melt to go. Hurry up, Biko. Or some money. In a chair body easy. You want to marry. What's that, Tien? You can't start.
Sorry, ma. Please, can you just help me just push?
Are you alright? Are you sick? How you do what? You can't
Sorry, ma.
My friend, collect the bag and trade to the market. Give me the money, because no. Hey! I'm going to go to
Please manage it,
So okay, that's very nice. That's exactly like my mom's cooking. Yeah, I really hope Stella knows how to cook as well. Just ask her.
She can cook very, very well. You mean she has not cooked for you all this while? Mama, I should cook. Shrinks does not allow me to enter the kitchen each time I visit. He's used to eating out.
I go cook.
Odiro man, good at all.
Too bad I'm not ashamed.
Okay. Please, allow her to cook for you so that you get used to homemade food. Let her make you feel at home anytime she's around. You see, Stella, she cooks very, very well. More than me. Her cooking skill. Akaga. You won't even see where to dip your hand. I'm telling you.
In fact, I feel like eating hers now.
She took after my mother, her grandmother. I'm telling you.
I need good in it.
Please.
Can I see you?
See for what?
Stella, let me see you now.
Whatever it is can wait. Can't you see she's with a guest? And they are eating.
Oh, Stella.
Yeah, okay, ma. See for what now? Yeah. Okay, ma, what is your problem? You won't embarrass yourself.
I'm leaving.
Okay.
Come on, I'm leaving.
My dear, do not forget to be here on time tomorrow, Rico, to fetch water for me. Another thing, you still have those things I wrote down, right? The list. Why come in? Buy them fresh ones. Be here on time tomorrow. You know, go now. Thank you. Sometimes our errands is not for I know now. I know the car won't start.
My daughter is special made.
Oh, come on, what are you trying to do? Sit down. Come on, sit down. For what? You want to get battery? The car. We're used to the car. Last now he will push it. He knows how to push it.
You cannot even help me. Or you want to get your shots? Allow him to do what? Which one is calm down? Okay, well, I'm asking you, what do you want me to be calm for? No, what were you expecting? That I was going to settle for less? Listen, the young man you saw in my house is my boyfriend. His name is Chooks, and we are getting married. Can't you see that he's rich? Didn't you see his car? Didn't you see his tag?
So because... Monyala. You're telling me this? Monyala, Polo. See, so because he's rich now, you now leave me and follow him after all the love I've shown you. Why now? Calm down. If money is your problem, just relax. Look, have faith in me. Have hope. I'll make this money. Calm down.
Have which hope? Which hope? You that I'm seeing here. Nam, you look like an empty vessel, uncompleted building. That is what you look like. Listen, I don't have time. I don't have time to wait. Nam, you don't have money. Leave me alone. Listen, whether you like it or not, I am going to marry Chooks. And that is fine. I am not changing my mind.
Relax now. Please don't say that now. Don't say that. What is this now?
Yeah.
After everything I've done for you, all the messages for your family, you want to leave it. See, let me tell you, I mean, I won't take it to. I won't take it to.
No.
I won't take it to. I'm saying I won't take it to.
Hey, wait. Are you... No, wait. Do you intend to force me to marry you?
I'm saying my own. I won't take it.
You must be very sick if you think that you can force me into getting married to you. It will not happen. Okay, Nwa, I will not marry you. Read my lips. I will not marry you.
Calm down now. Calm down.
So you can whisper.
You can't leave me now. After everything, after all the love, calm down now.
Okay, Nwa, I don't know how you are going to do it all. I don't know which way. I don't know what we want to do. But as for me, I am saying it and I'm saying it again. I don't have time. Can I go? Can I go now? No, manya. Oh.
Thank you very much, my son.
You're welcome, sir.
I appreciate this gift.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
But you see, I would like you to talk with Stella. See her, talk to her. She's the one you want to marry.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
When you and her have agreed on something, then you come back to us. We will continue from there.
Thank you, sir. Sir, you see, this drink here is actually to show that I'm very, very serious about marrying her. I'm not only out for friendship.
You are very serious about what? Huh?
Good evening.
No. Don't accept this drink. Don't accept this drink until you consult with Stella. She may have a better plan. Pico, Namo, Stella is my only daughter. And I want her to marry a rich husband. I want to be traveling for Omugo like my other mates. Not in this village. Abroad, Lagos, Abuja. So, make money first. Ego Ibo. When you make money, you come and marry my daughter.
Ma, with due respect, ma, I know I don't have money now, but I have promise. And I promise to take care of Stella.
That is what we are talking. We are on the same page. Ego Ibo first. Make money first, then you come and marry my daughter. With all due respect, I am promising you that when you make money, Stella will still be waiting for you. You start by changing that oba tuntum you call a car. Didn't you see the car? Didn't you see the kind of car Chus came back with the other time?
Enough of this.
Machine!
Susan, enough of this. What is your problem? My son, it's okay. You heard what I told you before. Consult with Stella. Talk to her.
There's no point. There's no point wasting your time. Don't waste your time. Make money first. Money talks and the bullshit and making Seeing is believing. Make money first, then you come and marry my daughter. Not very simple. This drink that you brought.
Step! Susan, what is wrong with you? What is all this? What is wrong with you?
Leave me alone. What is the problem? Don't spoil things for my daughter. My dear, go and make money. What? Inugo, come. Let me open the gate for you.
No, leave him. Go inside.
Go inside and do what tonight? Go inside and do what?
My son, it's okay. Don't worry. Everything will be okay. Just do what I told you to do. There's no problem.
Kocha, you heard me, right? You heard what I said. Money first. Money answered all things. Because
you are going too far with your relationship with Stella. Okay, one. This is madness. She's not the only woman in this world. Leave her alone. Susan and her daughter will make you dry. Oh?
What's this now? No, somebody hearing you now will believe I bought this car with your money. This car was bought with my own money. Not your money, not anybody's money, my own money. Oh. So if I sell this car to pursue my love, what's bad there? Did I commit any abomination? Did I commit any crime? No. It's my money, so I can do anything I want to do with it. It's my car.
I have seen that you have gone crazy. You are really mad. You have been bewitched. Hey! This woman is not the only woman in this world. Look at your shop. Barely 1 year your guy settled you. Your shop is almost empty.
Mama.
Hey!
You see, the problem I have with you is that you go to church, but you don't understand your Bible very well. I'll say it again, you go to church, but you don't understand your Bible very, very well. You don't. You just go there to mark register and tell pastor I'm here. Mama, look, the Bible says he who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from God. Yes. So if I marry my girl, I found a good thing and blessings will come. Favor from God will come. So selling this car is not a problem. This car is already gone. You understand me? Just forget about this car.
Never,
It's gone.
never. I will not allow you to sell this car.
It's a never.
Yes.
Mama, I will sell my car.
No,
It's
I will not allow you to sell
It
this
is
car.
my money. I will sell this car.
The only car that have entered this compound. Okay. Since the history of this family, this is the only car that have entered here. Right. You will not sell it.
I'm trying my best, 'cause I love you. Please don't despise me. I will do anything just for you to be mine.
Who is young man kill you there? You understand me? Kill your whole generation. You understand me? Kill everybody that you know. Idiot. Excuse me. Kill you there. Kill everybody you know. You understand me? You don't know this village, oh. You don't know this village. Come down.
Okay, I'll be keeping quiet. Okay, stop. Okay, stop this now. Stop this now.
If you touch me, I don't want to talk. Enter this car.
Okay, will you please stop that? Please.
Okay, enter this car.
Okay, stop now. Stop.
If I nod you, all your teeth will get into my nose. Come on.
Okay, stop now. What are you doing?
I said enter this car. Enter this car.
Leave me alone.
If you touch me,
you can do that if you can.
If you touch me, see.
If you have it,
You say?
let it.
See. I will not do.
Okay, what's the...
I messed up just because of you.
Enter this car, okay?
Stop.
See.
Shame on you, Susan. You're a shame to motherhood. Eh? How can a mother mortgage her daughter's happiness like you do? Eh? What is money that you care and not your daughter's happiness? Eh? You don't care how your daughter feels.
My daughter's going to lack happiness. Has she ever complained to you? So what is your problem? Now listen. Her only fear, regret and sadness is ending up with your son. Your focusless, useless, penniless, worthless son of yours. Eh? Warn your son. I don't want to see him in my compound again. God. Warning. I don't want to see him in my company again, because what I did to him will be a child play compared to what I will do to him now.
You cannot do anything. You will do nothing. You are just a barking dog that cannot bite. Yes.
I can't do anything.
Nothing at all.
I am just a barking dog
That's
that cannot bite.
Yes.
I cannot bite.
You can't.
Let me see your son's leg in my compound again. Then if anything happens to my daughter, hey, I will show you the mad dog in me. Okay, your son. Shameless son from a shameless mother.
Look at you. Ugly people.
Ugly people.
You ugly and your daughter ugly.
Is my daughter ugly? Is my daughter ugly? Your son when he's fully out like a dog in the heat. Aren't you ashamed?
You will thank my son.
You want my
for
son?
asking her hands in marriage even.
Me?
Yeah.
Me? Yeah. Mama, but Susanna, you want my daughter to marry your son? After training her in the university, to fear why I rejected from my daughter.
We are not greedy as you are.
Are you sure that your husband impregnated you? Because your husband is dark, you are dark. Where did you get a fine boy in a Clemo? Fine boy, no people, no money. Woo! Half what?
Half caste.
Or follow half of Kofonke caste. My friend, can sit down. One your son, more half caste, more water caste, more middle caste, more quadrant caste. I don't want to see him in my compound again. My daughter is meant for rich men.
Go.
Woo! Woo! Oh yeah, come.
Go. I don't blame you. It's my son that I blame.
My own in-law. My in-law.
My own in-law.
My in-law.
Ogo, Ibuchi Onye.
Yes, yes.
Ogo Buchi Onye International.
Of course, that's me.
Yeah, please.
You said you wanted to see me and it was urgent.
Yes.
Okay.
There is one favor I want you to do for me.
Yeah.
I already know you will not say no.
Of course.
Because we are in-laws.
We are in-laws.
Once you are in-law, you are in-law.
I mean, how can I say no?
Continuation.
Yeah, of course.
See, please, you see this car? I want you to give it to me. Yes, I want to carry your car. I want to go and have my girlfriend is having her birthday. So I want to carry her, use it to carry her to cruise. It's so hard that my girlfriend within birthday. I cannot do anything. I said, since I don't have a car, and my in-law has a car, all of us, it's a family car, it's an in-law car. It's a family car, so let me come and meet you. I know you will give it to me because I gave you my sister.
I know. My in-law. See, there's nothing I can't do for you, but this car, I don't give it to anybody. I don't give it to people. You know.
But not me.
Because I'm the only person who knows how to manage the car.
You see me? In all my life, I'm used to rickety cars like this. I have driven tipper. I don't drive tipper. There's one car that doesn't have steering. I don't drive them. It doesn't have lights. I don't drive them. Touch. I was using touch to do light in the night. I once drove a car that doesn't have roof.
It's okay.
I was driving it and rain was beating me. Go and get the key. Don't worry about it. Leave it for me. I'm used to it. I'm used to suffering. This one, but Corolla. Hi. Very nice. My girlfriend, at least, if I use it, anyway, I see gallop. Go down. Come. I move. One light.
The left one.
Because we'll come back in the night.
Yes. So I need to show you things about this car. You understand?
So it has manual.
Don't fire this car. Don't fire this car above 80. In fact, don't fire it at all.
18 kit.
Yes. Don't
fire. It's a Boris. Now I won't be moving. No.
Again, I heard you talking about gallop. This car is not for gallop. That gallop is not for this car, please.
No.
Just
small car is for small gallop. Don't worry.
No gallop at all, please. No gallop at all, please. The way you want to, I know you carry some things.
Yes.
This other door is okay. You can open it from outside here. You can. The inside is not working after lifting this one. Then this one especially, you must put your knee under like this. Then you use your knee to open it. You understand? You open this one. Fine. Then when you come here, this boot, you say you will carry things for your
girlfriend. Now carry cake.
Okay, you carry cake. And you put it in the boot.
Yes.
All right. The boot will not open. No. It will open, except if you hit it hard 2 times. So 2 times like this. Then here, once. You understand? 2 times. Then you now come here. Then you put the key. Hope you're concentrating. Put the key. Then when you put the key, just put your knee like this.
Use knee again?
Yes, you must use your knee here.
A man with that knee cannot drive this car.
Bring your hand. See this place. Put your knee there. Like that. Not too hard though. Not too hard. Then lift it. That's right. That's it.
This is almost driving school.
That's it. This car's driving school. Remember, don't forget to 2 times here. Once here.
2 here, 1 here. I will buy paracetamol.
Start the car. Hey, don't start like that. Hey, calm down now. No. You do this in small now. You romance the key now.
Romance
the key. Don't go. Calm down now. Just romance it. Romance it small. Like that. Start like that. You don't want your
No, this car will kill me.
You say?
This car will kill me. How can I succeed with this car? Well, my girlfriend is more beautiful than this car.
You say?
My girlfriend is more beautiful than this car. I wonder how she's going to be inside. No fan, no AC. How is she going to survive?
There's hand fan inside here now.
Hand fan?
Look at it.
I'll be driving with one hand. Be using one to fan my girlfriend.
She can fan
what
herself
kind of
now.
Car is this? Is this the kind of in-law you are?
I gave you a beautiful sister. You are giving me an ugly car.
I'm not giving you, and I'm just helping you out with the car.
I know, but I gave you my sister for you to be using small. Eh? Is this how you are going to marry my sister? How? Oh, what type of in-law is this?
Come and take the car.
Mbamba. Naptara me outside.
Listen.
Naptara me outside.
Come and drive the car now.
Naptara me outside. Is this the kind of car you are going to use to marry my sister? Hey, you drive it outside and come. I'm waiting for you. My girlfriend is waiting for me outside. Please. A car that doesn't have light. Does it have backlight?
The left one is working.
Does it have brake light?
Yeah, it's working. Just match it 3 times. Pump it 3 times. It will stop.
I will pump it 3 times.
Yes. Slow down.
What type of in-law are you? All right, drive the car. Come. I will call my sister. Drive it. I said drive it. I will call my sister. I'm calling her.
I want to make sure you know how to drive.
I'm calling. I will know how to drive it. Don't worry. Bring it out. I cannot suffer in your own house. Let me suffer during my time. I will carry my girlfriend and go. To cancel the wedding.
Good day, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, well, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you too, sir? I'm fine. How's your health? Good. Sir, please, I'm looking for Muna Chimso. Where is he? Because he borrowed my car. He wanted to. He said he wants to see some of his friends, you know. So I need the car because I want to wash the car and go to the city first thing tomorrow morning.
Okay, ma.
Yes, sir.
I'm just coming back from the hospital.
Yes, sir.
Mona Chinso got involved in a ghastly motor accident that claimed the lives of 3 people. Mona Chinso and his friend Ugo survived the accident, but the vehicle is beyond repair.
Sir.
Okay, ma, calm down.
What do you say?
Calm down.
Sir, what vehicle? Sir, my car. Hey! Sir, my car. My car. Beyond. Hey! Hey! My vehicle.
Calm down.
Hey!
Okay, ma, calm down.
Beyond repair.
Calm down.
Sir! Hey! My guy, please, you're my last hope. You understand? You see, right now I'm going through 1 or 2 problems. You understand? I mean, you know, right now, problems upon problems. I don't know from where. You understand? My car is a write-off. On top of that, you know, goods in my shop, almost, you know, let me just say finished. You understand? People who have been giving me goods on credit, I mean, quarrels have come up. I've reported to union, told them to, you know, try and help me out in this, you understand? The worst part is that the girl I want to marry now wants to marry somebody else, you know, so I just need you to help me out. Not because of things I've done for you in the past or no now, but just give me anything just for me to stand. Now let your guy stand, but I'll pay you back, I'll pay you back, just please, just help me. Help me with some money, please.
Let me be real to you right now. There is no amount of money I can give to you or anyone can give to you that will be enough for you. Okay? Come out and make money. Come, let me teach you how to make money. Your cars, you will fix it. Your shop, you will. And you'll get any woman of your choice.
Boss, I hope you're not still talking about that same level you told me about then.
That is the same level I am talking about. There is no other level.
Brother.
Don't you want to look like me? Money is sweet. If you start making money on your own, you will see the sweetness of money. Take a look at me now.
There must be another way now.
There is no other way. That's just the only way. Be a man for once. Just look at me. Don't you want to make money? Come out. I'll show you way. That's just the simple truth.
Please. I am begging you. My family and I are very sorry. I know we treated you badly, but please, I am begging you. Please just forgive us. Biko. Please. Please. Okay, Biko. Please.
Stand up. Stand up, stand up. I forgive you. I forgive all of you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'll just go out there and bring them in.
If people do not go out from here, I will release dog. I will release dog. Dog will use you as bush meat. You're not even sweet. I just respect.
Mama,
I just respect.
I'm killing him.
We can go inside now. My husband said he has forgiven us.
Oh, Stella, you are in there. You are in the house, and your husband kept us here. Me.
It's okay, please.
I will not take it. You must beg me.
Hey, madam, before they go inside, I must receive transaction successful or approved before you can go inside. Madam, you know what?
Listen, if I slap you, this your cap will go back. Are you a mad person? Eh? Muna, stop! Muna, it's okay. You kill him now. Muna, it's okay.
It's better he talk. He will choose one. Isn't that kill him or sack him?
It's okay.
Which one?
It's okay.
Send the burger.
It's okay.
What are you feeding this boy with?
Muna, I said it's okay. It's alright. It's okay, Muna. Muna, stop now!
Hold his back! Hold his back!
Muna!
Hold his back!
Come back! Go to the gate! Run to the gate! Come on, go back to the gate! Go to the gate! Move!
Auntie!
I said move!
This guy have got my same pass.
I'm sacking him!
This guy have got
Look for another gate man! Look for another gate man! Hello, where are you? Hello! How family?
Let me not see you anywhere around this store.
Let me pick my car.
Hey!
You don't know how much I bought this car. I'm going to go to Nazeri Hotel.
My hello. Hey! Hey, Batagego. Okay, city enjoyment. Yeah? This is food. Mama, eat. Nita maronanya. So that you will get well and take your drug.
Muna, can you just keep quiet and have some table manners, please?
Sorry. No. I don't see this kind of chicken every day. Except in case they know in the village. I know I have money. Millionaire in-law. When I have a rich in-law, I'm rich.
Please don't choke on your food, okay? There's more where that came from. Alright?
Watching you. That's juice. Give me juice. Hey. My in-law, you are rich. Thank you for forgiving us. I don't know if you know anything you only can give me. I don't know. Mama, you know you are sick. You don't need to eat too much meat. Make a fat.
Keep quiet now.
Big bottom. Hey, Mama.
Why you don't want to?
Mama, you don't need to.
Why you don't want to?
Oh. No. You big man, you people should not be eating this kind of food anyway.
I have an assignment for you. But it's not going to be like the regular.
What do you want us to do, boss?
I want this one to look like a kidnap.
Consider it done.
I want this one smooth, suspicion-free, and swift.
Okay, boss.
This assignment will be done today.
Today?
Yes, today.
My instrument is not.
4:30 p.m. today. You will make it look like you're coming for me and get whoever is in my car.